Hi guys, this is Alik. Welcome to Shulman Dragon Fruit Orchard on the beautiful property of Chabad of Thousand Oaks. So today is a beautiful day, Sunday, amazing sunny day, and my birthday celebration is coming tomorrow, and I already start celebrating. I did my beautiful bike route with my friend all the way along the ocean from Malibu all the way to Marina del Rey. We saw beautiful nature over there, sea lions, lots of birds, nice beautiful ocean, warm and perfect weather. So as well as I did my traditional hat stand, and you'll see it on my Facebook page tomorrow. So to celebrate, to continue celebration with my birthday, I'm giving away as well as special deals and gifts all over the people in the United States, wherever people coming, purchasing here at the orchard or shipping to you as well. So the special deal, as always, my favorite dragon fruit is Laverne red dragon fruit. Very strong, mature plant, gives you 3-pound fruit, 3-pound, kilo and a half of beautiful magenta color, very tasty dragon fruit. So this one is going for $25. Laverne red dragon fruit, $25. Second one is I'm giving you like options, either Delight, Purple Haze, Hell is coming. So I got multiple varieties that I'm giving you half price, 50% off. Look at this size. Look at this size from the bottom up. So probably 5.5 feet tall. So if you guys picking up, it was amazing to set up right away in trellis. This probably will give you fruit this year. And I have a bunch of options to ship it as well. I have long boxes and will fit to every customer. And besides that, I'm gonna give you extra for first 20 orders. Today, tomorrow, during the week, first 20 orders, I'm gonna give you a free Yellow Palora. Here we go. Sweet and tasty Yellow Palora honey dragon fruit. So everyone will get in their package. Either you come over here or shipping to you. I'm gonna add this beautiful Yellow Palora fruit to your order, and I want you to enjoy with your family during this transition from winter to springtime. So you'll enjoy the beauty of tropical fruit, and you have a taste to grow it in your orchard, in your garden, share with the family and friends. So that's gonna be really appreciation for my birthday to you. Okay guys, so that's the special. Thank you so much for all your support in giving us the opportunity to grow and share with the world the beauty of the dragon fruit. Wish you all the best. Alik, Nature with Alik, Shulman Dragon Fruit Orchard, Chabad of Thousand Oaks. All the best. Bye-bye.